couriers in Ghana. Okay, this is a bold food training. Okay, so if you're a courier and you are here, this is a bold food training. So you have to pay attention. So please pay attention and listen. Okay. So what is bold food? A food delivery service created by the Estonian company that brought you the IT transportation platform, Bolt. So Bolt Food is actually a subsidiary under the Bolt Holdings. All right. So these are four main divisions of operational areas in Accra and work time. So these are the divisions of the four main divisions of operational areas where Bolt operates. Okay, the work time is 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Yes, from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Order acceptance and accomplishment. Yeah, order acceptance and accomplishment. So step 1 says that please log in. Okay, so this is the login screen. All right. So if you're a courier and your account is not yet activated, please do not try to log in. Okay, you try to log in when your account is activated or active. All right, so if you want to log in, the rectangular shape box that you see there where the number is, you put your number there. So the number starts with *233. Okay, you add the remaining to it, you click or you tap on send SMS. So when you tap on send SMS, you will receive an SMS message, okay, like an OTP message or OTP password. So the password will be used to log in. So you copy the password, then you log in with the password. Okay, after you've entered your number and clicked on send SMS. Okay, so you can only log in when your account has been activated. All right, please take note. Okay, so this is the go online screen. It's step 2. So this is the go online screen. So ready to start receiving orders. Great. Push the go online button. So the go online button is the green button down the screen. Okay, the green button you can see where the arrow is pointing, the green button. All right, you tap on it, it takes you to the next screen. So this is a screen where you will see confirm your method of delivery. Okay, choose the method of delivery, go through the checklist and press confirm. So you go to the checklist. If you are using a car, you click on a car. If you are using a motorbike, you click on motorbike. If you are using a bicycle, you click on bicycle. And if you are using let's say an electric bike, you click on scooter or you choose scooter. Okay, after you've chosen your preferred method of delivery or vehicle of delivery, then you click on confirm. Confirm is the green button beneath the app. You can see it there. So once you've chosen your vehicle, click confirm. After you've clicked confirm, it takes you online. Okay, you see waiting. This screen means that you are waiting for orders. So when you see looking for action, it means that you are waiting for orders. So while waiting for orders, do not lock your device. Do not put your app in the background. Do not put your phone in your pocket. So please, while waiting for orders, make sure you don't do all these things. All right, make sure you don't do any of these things. Try to keep your phone at a point where when there's an order, you will be able to see it fast and accept it. Okay, so accept an order. So this screen, when you see something like this on your screen, it means that there is an incoming order where you have to accept. Okay, so how to accept the order? There is a green button on the screen where it is written pick up in 2 minutes. So that button, the green button you see on the screen, you click on it. When you click on the screen, when you click on the green button on the screen, it means that you've accepted an order. Okay, when you click on the green button on the screen, it means that you've accepted the order. When you press pick up, it means that you've accepted the order. Okay, arriving at the pickup location. Okay, so arriving at the pickup location. So once you've accepted an order, you will see a pickup address and a call button. Follow the pickup notes left by the customer. Push the arrive button once at the pickup location. So please try to follow the instructions given in the app. Okay, follow the instructions given in the app. So if you don't know where the location is, you can just click on the Google Map icon on the top left right corner on the app. Then the Google Map icon will direct you to where the restaurant is located. Okay, you can also click on the call button to call the restaurant as well. Arriving at the pickup location. Okay, so once you arrive at the restaurant, you tell the representative that you are from Bold Food and give them your customer's name, pay for food, and confirm payment. Okay, so once you reach the restaurant, you go into the restaurant, you tell them that you are from Bold Food. You mention the customer's name, or you show your phone to them that you are picking up for so and so customer. So once you confirm the name of the customer, you will be given the food. Once it's ready, then you click on start delivery. Okay, so starting delivery. All right, check the order name, pay for order, tick and let the restaurant attendant confirm payment. Tick the pickup order box. So there's a pickup order box where you have to tick. So once you tick the pickup order box, it means that you've picked up the item or the food. Position properly so it won't get damaged. Always use the Bolt food bag. Push the start delivery button. So once you click on pickup order, push the start delivery button to start delivering your food. Okay, delivering to the client. All right, so delivering to the client, the most or the most easiest way to deliver to clients on Bolt Food is to click on the Google Map icon. The same thing you did when you were going to the restaurant. Okay, so the Google Map icon is always there to find the location. Whenever you are picking up an order, you click on the Google Map icon, it takes you there, it directs you there. Whenever you are delivering to a customer, you click on the Google Map icon, it takes you there. So when you've arrived at the customer's location, you click on the call button where the arrow is showing on the top beside the Google Map icon. You click on the call button to call the client. So once you call the client, you tell the client you are here and they should come out and take their food and make payments. You click on arrive. Okay, so once you get to the customer's location, click on arrive. All right. Okay, so if a customer is supposed to make payment to you, you see a checkbox that says that collect from client. So once you collect money, you enter the exact amount the customer gives you. If the customer gives you 1 CD, you enter 1 CD. If the customer gives you 100 CDs, you enter 100 CDs. If the customer gives you 200, you enter 200, and you click on submit. The submit button down there, you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you are you click on the deliver order. All right, so once you've entered the right amount, you click on deliver order and then click delivered. Okay, so in that case, you've delivered the order to the customer or the client. Yeah. So problems with the order. Okay, so there are some issues and problems associating with your order. Okay, so if you have a problems with your order, these are the things you should do. Okay, support. If you are working on an order, okay, how to contact support. All right, so if you want to contact support, the round circle with a white triangle in it, you click on the red round circle with a white triangle in it. That's the support button. So when you click on the support button, it takes you to the next screen. The next screen says that you click on report an issue. So when you click on report an issue, it takes you to the next one that says that call support. So when you click on call support, you will call support directly. All right. So drop off process. We have a current process and then the new process. So with the current process, it says that you reach out to support after waiting for 10 minutes at the customer's location. Okay, after waiting for 10 minutes, reach out to support. All right, support tries reaching out to customer if there is no response. Support asks you to enter 0 and then click delivered and dispose the meal. So once support reaches out to the customer and the customer does not respond to support, support will ask you to enter 0 and dispose of the meal. All right. Amount is put on your account pending proof of disposal. Once reviewed, the amount is taken off your balance. So once you've went through the disposing of the food properly, the amount is reviewed and taken off your account successfully. Okay, so the new process is this. The step one, we have 3 steps. So in step one, we have three phases. The first phase says that call the customer at least 3 times in 10 minutes. Okay, so after calling the customer 3 times in 10 minutes, the second phase is that try reaching out to the customer via the in-app chat. You understand? So you click, there's an in-app message where you click on the message and then you reach out to the customer via the in-app chat. So please make sure you send vivid and clean messages to customers. Don't try to insult customers. All right. So please take note. 3. Leave a final message. So you can say that I have been at your location for 10 minutes. Order will be cancelled and your account charged. Okay, so you leave this kind of message to the customer so that the customer will notice that the order will be cancelled and his or her account charged. Step 2. Enter 0 and click on deliver if there is no response from the customer. So if there is no response from the customer, enter 0 and click on deliver. Step 3. Dispose of the meal via the disposal link or at a disposal hub. So you dispose of the meal at a dispose hub, which means that you are going to take the meal to the dispose hub for the dispose to be done, or you dispose it via the link. All right, so in this case you did not need to contact support. All right, in this case, in this new process, you did not need to, or you do not need to contact support. Okay, yeah, so here's how to, however, you have to, okay, wait at the customer's location at least 10 minutes. Call the customer at least 3 times in 10 minutes, once every 3 minutes. Okay, leave the customer an in-app message indicating the order will be cancelled. Okay, once you are done, then you can enter 0 and then click on delivered. As simple as ABCD. Yes. So disposing an order via the disposal link. So these are 3 steps where you can dispose the order properly. Okay. Screenshot of call log to customer. It means that you're going to take the screenshot of the 3 times in 10 minutes that you've contacted the customer. So you're going to take a screenshot of a call log. Secondly, screenshot of an in-app message telling the customer the food is going to be cancelled. Okay. Third one is to take a picture of the meal properly disposed in a bin. All right. Yes, a picture. You take a picture of a meal properly disposed in a bin. Okay, so please do not dispose meal in buckets. All right, baskets or buckets. Do not dispose a meal there. If you dispose a meal in bucket or any other, apart from a trash bin, do not dispose your orders in buckets. Please take note. All right, so this is an example of a properly disposed meal. Do you understand? Yes. The new dispose link will have a field to upload extra photos. Yes. Ensure you are uploading the right images in the right field. Ensure you are following all the dispose guidelines on the link. All right, so make sure you are following everything that have been stated in the dispose guidelines. Okay, here are some few things that you need to note. Okay, in the in-app messages, in-app messages are monitored by both. Okay, all in-app messages are monitored by both food. So be respectful when sending customers message. All right, be respectful. All right, so once you are done with the process, within 30 minutes the amount should be adjusted. Okay, so please be respectful in such situations. All right, these are pickup and drop off situations. So pickup and drop off situations, I'm going to read to you. Right, order pickup with cash. Okay, order pickup with cash, it means that these are orders you are going to be paying cash at the restaurant for. So order pickup with cash and order drop off with cash, it means that order drop off with cash means that you are going to receive cash from customers. Pickup and drop off situations. Okay, pickup and drop off situations. Order pickup with cash and order drop off with cash. Okay, Courier is paying for food in a restaurant. All right, so those times we used to pay for food in restaurants, but now we don't pay for food in restaurants. We only take order drop off with cash. Okay, a cash drop off situation happens whenever a customer receives a cash order, so you take cash from customers. All right, so order redispatch feature. Okay, order redispatch feature, I'm going to explain this feature in a bit. So order redispatch feature means that in case you've already picked up a food order or an item from a restaurant, and then on the way to your customer's location, you have an incident, like let's say a vehicle breakdown issue, an accident, or any emergencies. Okay, you can simply decline the order for the next available courier. This is the order redispatch feature. So please take note. Whenever you have an accident, whenever you have an emergency, whenever you fail to even pick up the item, whenever you have vehicle breakdown issues while delivering to customer, you can be able to decline the order for the next available courier. So please take note. All right, so how to go about the order redispatch feature? So in this case, let's say you are on the way to a customer's end and then you have a vehicle breakdown or an accident. You can simply click on the get help button. So you click on the order, click on get help. Step 2, report an issue. You click on report an issue. So while you click on report an issue, it will take you to the next stage. That's a decline order. So you see a red button where it's written on it decline order. So when you click on decline order, it takes you to the next step where you select a reason. Okay, you have to select a reason for the decline. So you tap the reason why you are declining the order, then you click on decline, or you tap on decline, then the order would redispatch to the next available courier. No cash, no food rule. The no cash, no food rule simply means that if a customer does not give you money for the food, do not deliver to the customer. Or if the customer does not pay you first, do not deliver food to the customer. Okay, please take note. Some customers can tell you, oh, please give me the food, I'll go inside and bring you the money. No, they can simply go inside and bring the money and take their food. All right, so cash first before food. All right, so if a customer does not pay you first, do not leave the food for the customer. That's all it means. So no cash, no food. Receive cash first before you leave food to customers. All right, or you deliver food to customers. Yes. Cash and balance. For your ease, balance and cash earnings are displayed in all delivery sections. So when you click on the all delivery section, you see all your balance and cash, all your deliveries that you've completed, you see them. Okay, you see everything. Positive amount displayed in balance represents the sum you should be paid next week. Negative amount displayed in balance represents the sum you should compensate. So negative balance means that you are owing both. All right. Positive balance means that both is owing you, and both is owing you some money to be paid next week. Yes. So from Monday both pays weekly, right? Both pays your earnings every week. So from Monday to Monday, so 1 week both will pay you. So from Monday, you work from Monday to the next Monday, both pays your earnings to your Momo. All right, but if you have a negative balance, it means that you are supposed to pay both. So please take note. All right. Cash and balance. Okay, if the balance goes up, okay, balance goes up if a courier earns money for a delivered order. Deduction adjustments are applied. If a balance if a balance goes down, means that courier earns money for a delivered order. Okay, deduction adjustments are applied. But if a balance comes up, if a balance goes up, yes, so that's what it means. A courier pays for food in a restaurant or something. Yeah. Okay. So in other terms, where you are supposed to pay your debt. Okay, payment of debt. Let's say you are owing both, you want to pay. Okay. So you just click on the text, the checkbox. You see pay debt. All right. There's a red triangle beneath the balance. So you see pay debt. So once you click on pay debt, you select your preferred network, Airtel, Tigo, Telecel, or MTN. You select your preferred network, and then you enter your number starting from 233. Right, starting from 233, then you enter the remaining. So the 233 is already there. You just enter the remaining. You enter the entire amount. Okay, the total amount you are supposed to pay. If you are owing 200 cedis, you pay all the 200 cedis. If you are owing 100 cedis, you pay all the 100 cedis. All right, and then you proceed to click on confirm, where you see payment successful. So whenever you see payment successful, it means that your payment has gone through. Yes. So please take note. Okay. Please take note about payment. Okay, step 7 states that taking a break. If you are tired or need a break, go to trip planner and press go offline. Okay, so where can we find the trip planner? The trip planner is the bottom right corner. It's at the bottom right corner of the app. Okay, the menu icon you see at the bottom right corner of the app. That's when that's where the trip planner is. So when you click on the trip planner icon, it takes you to the go offline page. So when you click on go offline, the app will take you offline, right? Okay, so activity requirements, performances. So performance, I'll explain. I'm going to explain this in a bit. Your performance is measured by your acceptance rate, online hours, ratings, appearance, communication, time. So your acceptance rate, online hours, all right, these are your performances. All of these things are your performances. Ratings by customers, appearance, communication, time of delivery. Okay, online hours, acceptance rates. Your acceptance rate must be 100%. Okay, try and keep your acceptance rate 100%. Okay, so standards, right? Standard. It is your right to decline at up to 2 orders you receive. So within the day or within the entire day, you only have the right to decline 2 orders a day. Okay, you only have the right to decline only 2 orders per day. So please take note. Right? Do not call clients if the delivery destination is obvious. Okay, if you are not at the client's location, do not call the client. So please take note. Okay, if you are not at the client's location, do not call the client. Choose only the vehicle type which fits your transport. So please make sure you choose the correct vehicle type you are working with. If you're working with a bicycle, choose a bicycle. If you're working with a motorbike, choose a motorbike. Right? If you're working with a car, choose a car. If you're working with an electric bike, choose scooter. Okay. Never click on arrive before getting to the actual location of customer or client or restaurant. Okay, so if you're not at the actual location to pick up a food or deliver food, do not press arrive. Okay, so courier tips. These are now couriers. Customers are allowed to tip couriers on the app. So please take note. Both food courier main menu. So the both food courier main menu uh, contains contains all deliveries, inbox, performance, navigator, language, help, about, extra settings, logout. Okay, so these are both main menu. These are things you will find in the both food courier main menu. Okay, so all deliveries, inbox, performance, navigator, language, help, about, extra settings, and logout. All right, so please take note. In-app help. So this is the in-app help. The in-app help is the one beneath the language. So when you come down, you see the help. So this, when you see help, that's the in-app help. Okay. So when you click on help, that's when you can report an issue. If you have an issue, you can report it to both. Yes. So all deliveries. Okay. Delivery information, time, address, earnings, delivery code. The delivery code is also known as order code. All right, so it's two things. So when you hear order code or delivery code, it's the same thing. All right, so pick up location name, food order. When you click on all deliveries, okay, the all deliveries you are seeing here, the moment you click on all deliveries, you see all the deliveries that you've done, the delivery code, everything, the restaurants you are picking from, everything. You see the number of deliveries you've even completed. You see everything there, the time, everything. You see it there, the location, everything is there. Okay, navigator by default, choose your preferred option. All right, we have Google Map, we have Waze, we have Apple Maps, only for iPhones. Okay, if you're an iPhone user, go for set your app to use Apple Maps. If you're a Google Map, if you're an Android user, you can set your map, your app to use Google Map or Waze. So please take note for the navigators. App version. Make sure your app is up to date. Okay, so make sure all the time you're updating your app, and every time Bolt sends a notification through the app for updates. Okay, whenever there's update, they send notifications to your email and even in a Telegram channel. Okay, in a Telegram group. So please take note. Okay, customer communications. All right. So customer communications, customer service and best practices. Customer experience is key. Okay, so please make sure the customer gets a good experience from you. Okay, don't try to. Sometimes I understand some customers can be rude and all that, so you have to know how to deal with customers. Okay, you can say, hello sir, thank you for using Bolt Food. Can you confirm your name, please? Yes, you ask the customer to confirm their names so that you can deliver the food without any problem. Thank you for using Bolt Food. Please remember to give me a thumbs up rating. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, you can tell the customer to rate you even in the app. All right. You can tell them, always tell the customers to be rating you in the app. All right. So communicating with the customer. Okay, you should not expect to receive any cash payment from customers unless the app says so. So if the app tells you to take cash from customers, fine, you can take cash from customers. You can take the money, but you cannot take money when the app tells you not to take money. So if the app tells you not to take money, you leave it. All right. So importance of rating. Okay, ratings are key for every organization as it is used to get feedback on quality of service or goods. Yes, so please always make sure customers are rating you are rating you. All right. Okay. So alcohol delivery. All right. Alcohol delivery. So in Ghana, who can buy alcohol? Okay, who can buy alcohol? In Ghana, alcohol is sold to individuals over 18 years old. So if the individual are delivering alcoholic content for is not 18 years, you can't deliver the item. A courier must always ensure that alcohol is handed to a person over 18 years old in Ghana. So if the person is not 18 years old, do not deliver the alcohol. Okay. Sorry. After picking up the order, you will see an additional checkbox, verify client's age, in the application. Okay, so whenever you see verify client's age, it means that the items you are holding has alcoholic content in it. So please take note. Okay, whenever you see a checkbox that says verify client's age, it means that there is an alcohol content. You are carrying an alcohol content. So please note that. Okay, this means that the order contains alcohol, and you must make sure that the customer has reached the age of 18. Okay, alcoholic delivery. All right, alcoholic delivery drop off. So how to drop off an alcoholic delivery? To make sure the person is entitled to receive an alcohol order, kindly ask the customer to present an identity document. So you ask the customers to present their identity document. It can be a Ghana card, driver's license, passport, a voter's ID. So please take note. Okay, some as already mentioned, passports, Ghana cards, driver's license, to show that the person is past 18 or 18 years and above. All right.
Okay, some invalid documents are expired document, paper copies of identity documents, student cards. No, this all of these documents are not accepted. ISIC, birth certificate, any other documents issued by.
What if the customer is under 18? If it is not possible to verify the age of the customer, then the order must not be handed over to the customer. If the customer refuses or is unable to present any valid identity document, please contact support for further instructions. So in case a customer fails to give you an identity document, contact support for further instructions. All right. Customer privacy. Okay. When it comes to customer privacy, never save or share any customer information, telephone numbers, house address, names, and etc. Do not share any customer information to anyone. Do not. All right. These are things that you shouldn't even do. Okay. Prevent yourself from trouble. Okay. Never contact a customer after completing your order for personal purposes. No, do not contact a customer for personal purposes. Maybe a customer calls you for additional deliveries. Do not do it. All right, don't. Okay, strictly both food. So please do not do it. Never enter apartments, private areas without customers' permission. Please do not go into customers' private areas. Do not. Alright? Don't enter customers' apartment or private areas. No, don't do it. You might be accused of rape or stealing or theft. Right? So please be careful. Courier fraud. Okay. Courier fraud. Courier fraud. Okay, so one thing is impersonation. Impersonation. Okay, one thing is impersonation. Bolt Food has zero tolerance for couriers who share accounts. Okay, Bolt Food has zero tolerance for couriers who share accounts. Okay, so if you share accounts and you are caught, you might not be only terminated, but you will have to face consequences. All right, so please take note of how. Don't even do it. Don't even share any accounts. Don't even share accounts to unknown riders. Okay, couriers involved in fraud will have their accounts terminated and prosecuted. All right, so in case you are caught engaged in fraud, you would have your accounts terminated and prosecuted in the law court. So please, or in the court of law. So please take note. All right. If convicted of impersonation, a courier or a defendant can be sentenced up to a year in jail and substantial court fines. So after spending a year in jail, you will be charged a court fine. You understand? You're going to place a court fine on your head for you to pay as well. So please take note. Okay, impersonation, as in if you this kind of impersonation is as in if in case you want to change your phone, your smartphone, maybe you are using an iPhone, you want to change to an Android, you have to contact support first to change. All right, so please take note. Fleet commission. All right, so what is the commission charged of your earnings? Okay, Bolt Food deducts 2% commission of your weekly earnings and gives it to the fleet partner. You understand? So that's how the fleet commission is, or that's the meaning of the fleet commission. Okay, it's only 2% taken off your weekly earnings. So please take notes. Okay, periods to stay online, peak times. These are peak times. So 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. dinner, lunchtime, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. dinner time. All right, so the current earnings are visible in the Telegram channel. Yes, so please take note. So take note of the peak times, and then make some money over there. Taxes, courier equipment. Okay, courier equipment such as the delivery bag. So it's mandatory. All right, it's a must for a courier to have a boat food delivery bag. Okay, it's a delivery bag. All right, that's the delivery equipment. So it's 400 cedis, pay 8 times installment. So 8 installments of 50 cedis. So you pay 50 cedis for about 2 months. Yes, for about 2 months, then you're done paying. Okay, these charges are going to be placed on your earnings. So please take note. All right. Requirement for bag. Okay, make sure you clean your bag thoroughly and clean, neat. It should be clean and neat for work. All right. Dress code. Both is trying to tell us to be neat at all times and look presentable. Yes, these are some of the dress codes, examples of some of the dress codes that you have to follow. So, uh, dress codes, reflector, a thermal bag, a shoe, helmet, and a bike. All right. So, as a courier, you should have a bike. All right. Whether a bicycle, motorbike, scooter, or car, whichever one, you can use it. Okay. There are some unacceptable dress code like autofista. Please do not do any of this and work with them. Okay, these are inappropriate way of dressing, so please take note. Okay, all right. Always make sure you wear appropriate protective equipment such as gloves, boots, knee cap protection, and all that, elbow protection, and all that. So please make sure you 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 protect yourself while riding, okay, while delivering food. All right, so please take note. All right, okay, so thank you for coming. We have a Telegram channel where you can join the channel and um, you know get updates. You can join the channel to get updates. Whatever boats is doing, you can just get updates from there. So this is where we get updates, okay, on boats. So you can join the Telegram channel also as well with a link, or maybe an admin can join you. Okay, so if you don't have a Telegram channel, you can just um I mean download the Telegram app and then join the channel. Thank you. So uh it, it's time for test. Okay, times for the test. So the test duration is about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so you work individually, and the pass mark of this test is 21 out of 25. So yes, 21 out of 25. Okay, so that's the pass mark.